Just see which one you can just park with. Ooh. Might be a Montgomery mod. Alright, let's listen to this motor. Dang. It almost sounds like it's low in oil. Interesting caps. This thing waddles a lot. Like goes back. Oh, you can see the floor's going by. I don't know how you can see that. Very quiet going down. Got these weird innovation buttons. Alright, we're gonna go and transfer down here. Oh, what? It's a new button, I guess. That's weird. Because the other one doesn't serve the basement. And now we'll send you up. Actually, there we go. Gonna wait. Oh, going up? Which one are you going to? 4?
3, please.
Hold on. Going up?
Yes, thank you.
Which one?
3. Thank you.
3. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I don't know if this is a Montgomery mod. It might be. This one sounds completely different. We'll take another ride since... Sorry if I'm having a lot of camera movements. I'm filming with my left hand right now. Sounds like the other one's moving too. Yep, the other one is. Alright, here we go, let's listen. Ooh, it's a bit low in oil. And we'll end off back on L. These could be possible armors. I don't know. 3,000 pound capacity. Yeah. I'm not exactly sure. Unknown inspection. I don't know who did this mod. This is probably a mod. Alright, well I think I had my fun here. There's a BG-10 right there. And there they go. And they got boring stuff here. Alright, that's it.